Welcome back to AI Dose. Today we're delving into a burning question in the digital age. Should AI-generated information in news be clearly marked? This isn't just about the nuts and bolts of technology, but the pillars of trust and transparency in the information we consume. Researchers from the University of Minnesota and Oxford Internet Institute reveal that most readers prefer being informed when AI is handcrafting the news they're reading. But here's where it gets complicated. When outlets disclose AI usage, their trustworthiness takes a hit. A paradox indeed. So, why the hesitation towards AI-crafted news? The main issue is the fear of the unknown. AI, despite its impressive capabilities, remains a mystery to many. Concerns about accuracy are paramount. Can AI grasp and report complex issues without error? There's also the worry about bias. AI may not have personal biases, but it's trained on human-generated data, which might carry inherent biases. Furthermore, there's unease about losing the human element in journalism. News is more than facts. It's about stories told with empathy and understanding, attributes traditionally seen as uniquely human. Can AI replicate this depth, or will it reduce news to a bland recitation of information? On the flip side, let's explore why media outlets increasingly adopt AI. AI's ability to rapidly analyze data and produce basic reports is a game changer for efficiency. Human journalists can dive into more profound, nuanced storytelling and investigate work. AI isn't just a tool for speed, it's an enabler of journalistic depth. Moreover, the economic factor must be addressed. Running a newsroom is an expensive endeavor. AI offers a cost-effective solution, especially for smaller outlets struggling with limited budgets. It's not merely about trimming expenses, it's about intelligent allocation of resources. AI can take on routine tasks, freeing up journalists to focus on areas where human skills shine, like in-depth analyses and emotionally resonant stories. This shift towards AI could lead to a richer tapestry of news, offering diverse perspectives and stories that remain untold in a traditional news setup. Now, back to the matter of transparency. Trust concerns significantly diminish when articles are labeled as AI-generated and list their sources. People appreciate a peek behind the curtain. Knowing the sources used by AI provides a sense of reliability and integrity to the information presented. In contrast, there are content platforms, from the likes of TikTok to stock asset sites like Adobe, that clearly label content produced by AI. To many people's surprise, the response on those platforms is positive, with many TikTokers displaying AI content creation capabilities for fans to enjoy. However, it's not a clear-cut issue. Even with transparency, some readers still regard news organizations using AI with suspicion. We crave honesty, but the revelation of AI involvement brings its own set of doubts. So, what's the takeaway? People value openness. They want to be in the loop when AI is at play in the newsroom. A significant majority, over 80%, prefer disclosure of AI's role in news creation. Yet, news organizations must navigate these waters with care. The challenge lies in harmonizing AI's efficiency with the cherished human qualities of journalism. The key might lie in how AI is integrated and communicated. It's not just about using cutting-edge tech, it's about molding it to respect and elevate the human aspects of storytelling. This careful blending could maintain, perhaps even deepen the connection between news media and their audience in an AI-driven world. As we venture deeper into this new era of AI-assisted journalism, these questions will shape the future of news consumption. And that's our take on today's AI Dose. The news landscape is evolving, with AI-generated content becoming more prevalent, and we're here to navigate these changes with you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-changing world of AI and news. Until our next session, stay curious and well-informed.